In this video, I'll show you how you can set up a WordPress website using AI in just under 10 minutes. This is great for people who are struggling with the technical setup of WordPress website. So you can use AI and it will give you some prompts to generate a starter website. Hi, my name is Kevin and welcome to my channel. With 15 plus years experience in the software industry, I provide software tips that can help you with your business. If you're looking to start a WordPress website from scratch, check out my ultimate guide to create a website. The link is in the description. Now let's get started. So the AI tool that we'll be using to create our website is the Kadence AI starter templates. This is a great tool where you can get these free AI templates and you just enter a few answers to some questions and a template website will be created for you. So what is a Kadence AI starter template? So these are templates that you can use which are generated by AI to create a default WordPress website. So you'll get the text, the images and the layout of your website created by AI. You will get a professional looking website with minimal effort. So once you have the starter website, you can do the customization of the post, pages, the layout, the change in the text images as you need. It gives you a foundation where you can start building your website. So you don't need to get stuck on what should I do when you have just installed WordPress and are struggling to create this layout and pages for yourself. So this is completely free. You can have paid version, but the free version will give you 250 credits. So these credits are for the AI that it uses and it's more than sufficient to build your starter website. So what will we need for installing and using this Kadence AI starter template? So you will need the Kadence theme, which is free. You will need the Kadence blocks, which is used to set up all the Gutenberg blocks and layouts, again, which is free. And you will need the Kadence AI starter templates. So you need one theme and 2 plugins to be installed. Now let's begin by installing the Kadence theme. Go to your WordPress dashboard and in the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance Themes, add new theme, search for Kadence. And here you have. So here, in my case, I've already installed the theme. You just need to press install and then activate. So now we have installed the Kadence theme. Next, we need to install these 2 plugins, the Kadence Blocks plugin and the Kadence AI Starter Template plugin. All of these things are free, so you can get your website set up in free without spending any money. So go to plugins, add new plugin, search for Kadence Blocks. We want this Gutenberg blocks by Kadence Blocks, so install this and activate it. Again, add a new plugin. Search for Kadence AI Starter Template. So this is the one we need, AI powered starter templates by Kadence. Install and activate this as well. Now let's look how we can use this Kadence AI starter templates and get everything set up and get our website up and running. So in the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance. You will see a section called Kadence. Go in that and in one of the tabs, you will see the starter templates. So that's what we need. Now in the Kadence AI starter template, you see this new thing, new AI powered starter templates. So that's what we need and click on this activate Kadence AI starter templates button. Now you will need to set up a free account with Kadence. You don't need to pay anything, but it's just a free account you need to set. I already have an account, so I'll just log into my account. Once you have logged into your Kadence, set it up and you got your free key. So then it will give you the option to connect your website to your Kadence account. So click on connect. So when you're starting the first time, you will get these prompts from the AI to input some information about your website and it will customize and generate a website based on what inputs you give it. The first screen is your information, whether it's an individual based website or a company website or for an organization. In my case, I'll select it's for a company. Give the name of your business or company. Where are you based? Is this like a local business? So you give a business address, or in my case, it's online only. So I'll just put online only. On the right side, you can see it gives you some prompt or an example of what you can fill in this. Click next. The next prompt is to tell the AI something about your business. So give as much detail as possible in this. It won't give you to continue unless you enter sufficient details in this. So I have pre-filled it to save you some time. So I entered around 700 plus characters so that it allows me to go ahead. I gave a brief description about what my website or company is going to be about. So that's all the information you should add. Here it gives you help on the right side, as well as if you click on the show tips, it gives you example of what you should think about when you're entering in this. What is the core offering or business purpose? What products and services do you offer? Describe your team and brand story. Highlight relevant numbers or statistics that support your value or impact. What makes you stand out in the industry? List any notable partnerships. What is the action you want visitors to take? So these are some of the things you can consider when you're adding your details in this AI prompt. Click next. Now it's time to add some keywords that will identify the topics that your website is going to be about. So the maximum you can enter is 10 topics or tags. So these are some of the things I entered for mine. It will give you some suggestions so you can pick from that itself. You don't need to enter it yourself if you feel those are good enough. Choose the tone of your website. Here you get a lot of options, whether you want it to sound professional, friendly, informative, engaging, trustworthy, conversational. So a lot of options are there. In my case, I picked conversational. Click next. This shows that the AI is going to use free images from Pexel's image library. So it will use it for the featured images for the post pages that it generates and the background images for the pages layouts that it generates. So you can edit this collection, remove stuff you feel that should not be on your website. So you're free to do that. If everything looks okay, you can click the generate base content. So here you can see it showing that it will take 70 credits from your 250 available credits to create your website. It's more than sufficient for creating your free starter website using this AI. So I'll click on the generate base content. The AI will generate your AI content, all the pages, posts, layout, including the text, images, everything will be done for you using the template that you had selected. So you need to wait for a few minutes for this to happen. Now it comes to this page where you can select the template that you want. So this is how your website will look. You get several different options. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. So obviously we'll use the free option. Click on the one that you find the best for your needs. So for example, I'll pick this redwood option. In the style starter, you can change the color and fonts. If you have some brand colors, fonts already decided on, you can pick that and it will change this based on that. Once you're done, click next. These are the pages that the AI will generate by default. Home, about, contact, FAQ. You can pick any which ones you want and remove which you don't want. In my case, suppose I don't want the FAQ page, so I'll just click on it and it will not be generated. This particular theme also, I guess, has this WooCommerce products. So I don't need that as well. I'll just remove that. Click next. Here you can select the plugin based on the functionality that you need. If you need an e-commerce website, so WooCommerce can help in that. Or if you are selling tickets for any event, the event tickets plugin can help. In my case, it's already installed. That's why it's showing as active this Kadence blocks and WooCommerce. So I'll just continue, press finish and launch. Now here is where the AI is actually creating all the required pages, posts, installing any necessary plugins. This will take a few minutes and it's installed and your website is ready. And in just a few minutes, you got a good WordPress website set up that looks like a professional website. Let's check this site how it looks. Right out of the bat, you can see it got a professional look to it. If you see all the images, text, fonts, everything looks clean and professional for your website. You can customize, change all of this, and you should, because this is just a default that the AI generated based on the information that you gave. If you feel anything needs to be changed, you can change it. Only about page, if we check that, it just generated a clean looking about page, a contact page, the email address, phone. So this is how you can use the Kadence AI starter templates to get a clean and professional looking website in less time, just few minutes, and you can get this website up and running for your needs. If you have any comments about using this Kadence AI starter templates, just comment below and I'll get back to you. So the link to the Kadence AI starter templates, Kadence theme, and everything you need is in the description below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such tips on building your website. Now, once you have installed your Kadence website, you can do a lot of customization on it. I've already created a video on how you can customize the Kadence theme with lots of details like changing font, color, layouts of the post pages, header, footer, creating the logos. So you can find that video here or in the description below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.